Hello there, my name is Julian Ashworth and I teach Latin. Salvete discipuli Sussexis Orientalis. What does that mean? Basically, hello students of East Sussex College. Why would you want to study Latin as an enrichment subject? It's hard and nobody speaks it anymore. Okay, that's true, but it's also very rewarding. And if you are studying a language at the moment, many European languages are heavily influenced by Latin, so that will help your study. And it's also brilliant for professions such as law and medicine. If you love words, this course is for you. Exhausted is how I feel at the moment. It comes from the prefix ex, out of, and then harire, to drain. So I am literally drained out. We will follow the Cambridge Latin course to prepare you for your GCSE. First two textbooks are here. The GCSE consists of 3 papers. There's a language paper, which is worth 50%, a civilization paper, which is worth 20%, and a literature paper, which is worth 30% of the overall grade. So the literature paper, for example, will be really helpful if you're doing literature A-level. It will help you with your textual analysis skills. And for the civilization paper, you will find out about business, slavery, housing conditions, basically everything to do with daily life in a Roman town. That's entertainment. So once we've covered the language, we'll get to the literature section, and in there's a lot of entertainment. Some very witty epigrams from Martial, for example, who can be a bit rude. So why wouldn't you want to study Latin as an enrichment subject?